My name is Masoud Hassani. Originally, I'm from Afghanistan, and in the past 15 years, I am living in the Netherlands. And I studied design at the Design Academy in Eindhoven and graduated with the Minecraft project a few years ago. Minecraft project is about destroying landmines or clearing them up in a critical environment. So with this project, we started a campaign to remove or eliminate landmines with the crowd, with people, and with cheap products. When I was a kid, we used to play in Afghanistan with a lot of toys. So we made a lot of toys with garbage materials like cars and kites. So we played a lot with kites and also this kind of wind-powered toys that they move around, and if there's wind, they just go forward. But in the place we have lived, there were a lot of landmines, literally. So a lot of kids, they really got hurt, and so that was actually also our environment where we grew up. So that was pretty normal. So now I combine these two things, and then I tried to solve the problem which were there, and it's a really local-based idea, because the ball is spherical, and this is designed for Afghanistan where we have lived. It is called Qasaba. So there were a lot of mountains around that area, and in between there's flat desert. So on this flat desert, it's really easy to roll around, and the mountains, they change the wind direction, so it circulates in the same area. So that was the main, the base of inspiration. One part is the really making something and physical. The other thing, and maybe the most important part, is how to communicate to a bigger audience. To make a big impact, you can use the design thinking, which is different than engineering, and it's also more connected with the emotional value of life and products. And it has also something to do with the storytelling. So it's also more personal. When things gets personal, other people gets also interested to it. And then they feel interested in the person, but also in the story. So then they can collaborate to solve the problem. I made already 3 prototypes. This is also one of them. And after that, we did a Kickstarter campaign it's a crowdfunding. When people get interested, then they are more likely also to collaborate. You can collaborate with communities, and that is much faster than a single government or one paid organization or one commercial organization, and then it will take much longer and so on. So it's a kind of open source, and you can do it much faster and easier, but a lot of people are also responsible. So this is also it's becoming also a really new topic, a new kind of level that governments has nothing to do with it. So this is going beyond the government, but also companies or these kind of things, because it's much faster, and people even doesn't need to get paid sometime, because they just want to do it because they like it. Usually products or services are made based only on research and not really user experience, and how can you do it. So now design is improving that really much better than technical guys. So usually a product is made first in the technical terms, the engineering part and so on. But it's not the final product, because the final product should be really user-friendly and also understandable how to use it. So the feed forward and the feedback should be really easy to understand. So this is the design is changing this a lot in the last maybe 10 years, and also in the digital world, but also in the physical world. So the design is becoming even more interesting, more important than the technical part of it.